So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and before we go to our new episode this year, I would just like to greet all of you guys a happy new year, and may this year bring us good luck and a prosperous year. I got curious about this product that I'm going to review today. It's called the Magic Collar. So this one is a company from Thailand. The first one who did this design is si Spoon ng Japan. I've seen a lot of reviews about this, and di ko alam kung hype lang or kung totoo ba talaga or baka sayang lang din yung pera. Mine, I bought it for 7,000. I think it depends on yung numbers of I think what you call it, aluminum bushing na included in the package. So I think the price will depend on that. For my Camry, there's 6 pieces in front and 8 pieces at the rear. So I bought it at 7,000. So this one was referred to me by a friend, si Francis na Drake Spec. So I asked him na, sige, kunan mo ako ng pang Camry and I'll try it. Kung tingnan natin kung if it really works. Usually, it's supposed to improve a lot of things in our cars. And one of them is yung cornering and yung steering response and yung comfort ng ride. So right now, we're here at Zidcar and pinapakabit natin sa kanila. Actually, Zidcar are the first one who installed this Magic Collar dito sa Pilipinas. So, of course, para less hassle, pakabit natin sa kanila. But if you guys want to DIY it, kaya naman. So the package includes instructions. There's a 2-page bond paper na mga instructions. And it's very straightforward, yung instruction niya. And it's very easy to understand. However, pag wala kayong lifter, I think mahihirapan kayo i-install to. It's because puro pang ilalim. So basically, this Magic Collar, what it does is it eliminates the gap between the nut and the subframe. So mawawala yung play niya, so it will give you that tighter driving experience. Logically, it makes sense, but then we're not sure on what percentage will it improve our car's performance. So I bought one. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'll try to review it as detailed as possible. So, yun. So right now, pinapa-change oil na rin natin yung Camry. So later on, after I tested it out, I'll let you guys know my insight and i-recommend ko ba or not. Sayang ba yung pera or worth it ba? So, yeah, tingnan natin later. So, kasama natin si Sir Kev. He's the owner of Zidcar. So he's going to explain to us ano ba yung Magic Collar.
For me, my opinion talaga is good upgrade siya. Kung may auto ka na, example, naka-coilover ka or lowering, kahit sa stock talagang applicable siya na i-improve na yung handling, yung steering response. Saka yung may feels kasi na ano eh. Kasi ako yung first project car ko isang Civic, it's a 90s car. So, especially sa mga 90s car, yung mga bolt niyan, talagang since 90s, di naman natatanggal, di ba? So, si Magic Collar kasi, para siyang, actually tawag nga nung una is washer. Pero hindi naman siya washer kasi originally, ang collar is spoon technology siya, ni spoon sa Honda. Which is, yung collar, ilalagay siya sa bolt. Kumbaga, siya yung aakap sa bolt from before po salpak sa chassis, sa body. So, ayun. Nakakabawas din siya ng vibration, yung piston sa steering wheel. Sa akin, sa sa mga applicable din siya sa mga pick-up sa 4x4. Lalo na sa mga nakasuspension, syempre yung Hilux. Example, sa akin, Hilux. Talagang matagtag yan kasi chassis type, muelle type. So, ramdam mo talaga yung pagka-stiff. Etong si Magic Collar, may tulong na talaga is yung minor na lubak. Pag drop ng auto, talagang hindi mo mapipil. Ramdam mo na nakaakap yung pang under chassis mo sa mismo body ng auto.
Guys, pina-change oil ko na rin yung kotse ko. So I chose Ravenon. Pero marami silang choices, may mga Motul or whatsoever. So feel free to visit them. Pero mas maganda kung i-schedule nila eh.
Yes.
I-schedule nyo muna. Tawag kayo dito, hanapin si Sir Kev or si Lawrence. then pa-schedule nyo para at least may slot kayo sa lifter. By the way guys, si Sir Kev, Aesthetics Toyota rin yan. So yun, nakita ko yung Hilux niya, sobrang ganda. Kuya, mahirap ba ikabit? Mahirap ba ikabit? Usually mga gano'ng katagal pagka ikakabit yung Magic Color? Kalahating oras lang. Pero usually yung collar ba is may existing na collar na siya, tapos upgraded siya, or
Wala pa.
additional siya?
Ito lang po yung nagpipit sa body po ito.
Okay.
Ito pala. Ito, dito natin lalagay yung core pasapit dyan para siya po mag-fit dito. Pag wala kasi ito, gagawin naman. Wala ka lang po ito.
Pagka meron na.
Pag nag-full brake ka, may tendency na uusog yung chassis. Sa ibang lugar. Pero pag meron ito, may isang fit. Pag naikita natin, itong pinaka-sombrero, yan ang mag-fit.
Pero hindi naman nakakasama sa kotse yan, no?
Hindi po. Lahat naman ang kinabitan namin, wala namang problema sa akin. Mas maganda naman mga feedback nila. Saka yung maganda pa yung ano nila, mas maganda yung yung handling. Wala siyang yung maramdaman niyo pa sa manubela niyo, wala siyang play.
So mas faster response siya pag sa manibela, no? Pero hindi na siya, kumbaga mas mawawala yung body roll niya. Pagka kunyari sa mga pakurba, ganyan, mas mawawala yung body roll.
Mawawala yung parang mababuhay na parang naiwan yung chassis, gagaan yung body.
So mawawala yun.
Mawawala ba yun? Kasi dito mag-sok-sok pa dito so yan. So yan yung chassis niyan kasi yan. Sisinitan pa natin yung one. Doon natin ilalagay sa taas. Tapos ito yung magiging kaparis. Ito naman, nakagat yan doon sa body, lobby. Tapos ito sa tamper. Yan yung mag-aasawa na yun. Yan ang mag-ano doon sa allowance dito sa taas. Yun ang magpipit naman sa body.
So talagang walang galaw na, no? Okay. Kalahating oras. Sige, mamaya subukan na natin. Thank you Sir Don. Sa tagal na yung gano'ng katagal na yung Zidcar?
Nag-start actually, yung father ko kasi nasa car trade industry na talaga ever since in 80s and 90s. Tapos, ang Zidcar nag-start is 2002 talaga. Ayun, actually, ang Zidcar is direct importer kami ng Japan Surplus. Start kami sa surplus parts talaga. Then, itong pandemic, syempre na-stop yung importation kasi nga
daming.
so, bawal ang Pinoy sa Japan. So, nag-start kami mag-ship ng service.
So pagka kunyari may specific na customer na may nahanap siyang isang surplus na parts, pwede silang lumapit sa inyo and
Pero
magpahanap.
mostly Japan lang kami, like Toyota, Honda, Mitsubishi, and Subaru. Yan.
So ayan, pina-change oil na rin natin and we're using the Ravin Oil 5W30 yung synthetic. So medyo madumi na, naka 10,000 na, so kailangan na natin pa-change oil tong Camry. So nagpalitan na yung bago kasi itong luma is madumi na. Yung bago. Pero ito kuya, ano to, no? Original na Toyota rin.
Opo, original po yan.
Then ito yung housing, yung filter. So right now, tapos na nila ikabit yung Magic Collar. So ngayon naman, next step is i-align yung car. So may mga ibang kotse na hindi na kailangan i-align. But sabi ko nga kay Sir Kev na i-align na lang din para at least sure. Kasi syempre pag kinakabit nila yun, yung Magic Collar, may mga nagagalaw silang parts sa ilalim ng kotse. So mas maganda na i-align after yung kotse para at least maganda yung takbo niya. So, hindi naman siya masyado gumalaw. Pero, yan, bahala. So, ngayon tapos na gawin yung kotse natin. So, ngayon testingin natin siya pa uwi. So, mamaya bigay ko sa inyo yung insight ko and tignan natin kung worth it ba and if i-recommend ko ba sa inyo. Ay, bro. Una na ako. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, ito pala si Sir Lawrence. Oh, say hi. Oh. Yan, so papaschedule kayo, hanapin nyo lang si Sir Lawrence. Okay, so here's my insight about the Magic Color. Lahat ng mga things that it will improve, nag-improve naman siya. The steering response and yung ride niya and yung handling niya, nag-improve siya. Actually kanina, yung medyo pa-curve malapit sa bahay, hinataw ko. And medyo hindi na yung parang feeling hesitant ka na pumataw sa ganong curve. And yung steering response niya, mas naging softer. Actually, yung body roll niya, nag-lessen din. Performance-wise, siguro I'll give it a 20% upgrade. Nawala yung play niya, so mas stable yung laro ng suspension, ng shocks, ng mga arms mo. So, it gives you that softer ride. Mas naging responsive yung steering wheel. Sa preno naman, pagka pumipreno ka, mas wala siyang body rolls. Kumbaga yung excess movement ng kotse na wala. Basically, it's obvious naman since tinanggal mo yung gap niya. Yun, nag-improve siya. And mas stable na yung kotse. I really like yung how it improves the stability and handling of the car. So for the price, 7,000, is it worth it? I think yes. For me, it's worth it. Kasi para kang bumili ng aftermarket expensive na suspension eh. Instead of upgrading my suspension, that will cost me around 20 plus thousand to 30. Depends on what brand, diba? Do I recommend this? Yes. I recommend it for those people who wants to have that stable performance and sa handling din, maganda siya. Of course, syempre, at first I was skeptical and I have my doubts about it. Pero ngayon, believer na ako sa Magic Color. Ganda, ganda. Grabe, I mean, how could those pieces of washers make a big difference, di ba? So parang galing lang. Nabilib talaga ako and mas gumanda yung ride talaga ng kotse ngayon. Guys, if you want to get this, feel free to message Francis sa Drake Spec. And of course, kung magpapakabit kayo, actually pwede rin kayo makakuha nito sa Zitcar. Just look for Lawrence or yung owner, si Kev. You have to message them to check kung may available para sa kotse ninyo. But I think most of the cars meron sila. So I'm going to end the vlog here. And I would like to thank you, Francis, for introducing me to Magic Color. And I would like to thank Kev and Sir Lawrence of Zitcar for accommodating my needs, for changing the oil of my car, and for installing the Magic Color and for the alignment. So guys, if you are around the area, feel free to drop by Zitcar and try their services. Sobrang galing nila. But of course, mas maganda pa rin yung naka-schedule kayo. So feel free to message them on their Facebook page. Para at least pagdating nyo doon, may slot na kayo sa lifters nila para dire-diretso yung trabaho. So more contents to come and I'll see you guys soon.